welcome back to my channel. Thanks for turning back once again. So in today's video we're going to be doing a hair care video. Now I've received a lot of comments on some of my skincare videos that I haven't been doing hair care videos lately. Yes, I'm sorry, I've been busy and I know this video is long overdue, like seriously it's long overdue. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to refresh your braids. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to moisturize and refresh your old braids. Now I've had these braids in now for like 2 months, like going to 2 months now, and I plan on still carrying it for at least 2 more weeks. But as you can see, it's already rough, like very rough. So I plan on refreshing it today, and I'm like, why not just make this video to show you guys how to actually refresh your old braids. Now I know making braids is not easy, like I know how much I spent making these braids, so I want to make sure I carry it as much as possible. Please don't blame me. So if you're interested in refreshing your old braids, or you want to know how to refresh your old braids to make it look as if you just made it, then don't go anywhere. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and keep on watching. So guys, welcome back. So I'm just going to be showing you a close view of what my hair is looking like right now. So you see what we are working with, and then you'll be able to compare it with your final result you get. Now let's get to work. So there are actually different methods of refreshing your old braids. Like seriously, there are tons of methods you can use in refreshing your old braids, but I'm just going to be showing you the method I've been using and has been working for me. And this method is very cheap, simple and straightforward. You don't need too much products, seriously, trust me. So for this method you're going to be needing your spray bottle. So this is my spray bottle. So in here I have my water and some leave-in conditioner, then I added few drops of my hair growth oil. So you can simply just get your spray bottle, then fill it in with some amount of water, add your leave-in conditioner and also your hair growth oil. Or oils are actually optional, so but you are still going to need oil for this method. But if you want to skip adding oil into this mixture, then you are free. You can just do your water and your leave-in conditioner. All right, so guys, the second thing you'll be needing is your hair growth oil. So in here I have my DIY hair growth oil. So I make this hair growth oil myself. If you want to see how I make this hair growth oil, just let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely make a video on how to make this hair growth oil. So you're going to be doing your hair growth oil. Now I know this is where you guys will expect me to say you also need your gel, right? Yes, like I said earlier, there are different methods of refreshing your old braids, and I know that some people use gels to refresh their braids, but I'm not a fan of gel, so I'm not going to be using gel for this method. And I also know that there are people like me that also don't like adding gels to their hair, because gels actually do cut my hair, so I try to stay away from gels as much as possible. But I will definitely be telling you guys how to add gel if you want to add gel to your refreshing method. So I'll be sharing that with you guys later on, so you definitely want to keep on watching. So but for the purpose of this video, for the purpose of this method I'll be sharing with you guys, you just need your hair growth oil and your spray bottle with water and leave-in conditioner. All right, so now let's get started. So guys, this is my hairband. So I'm just going to use this hairband to try to secure the whole of my hair so it doesn't get in the way. So now they are out of the way. Now I want to also mention that you can decide to just refresh the front of your braids. Like, you know, most times when we go out, people see the front of our braids and the back, so you can just try to refresh the front and the back. You don't need to refresh the whole braids if you don't have time. Like me, I don't think I'm going to be refreshing the whole braids. I don't know, let's just see how it goes, but I don't think I'll be refreshing everything. So you simply can just refresh the front, the sides and also the back. That way it's definitely going to look neat. So guys, as you can see, like my braids is long overdue. Like, can you see the undergrowth? Yes. So That is why I want to refresh this. So if your braids is not this loose, like I don't think there's any need for you to actually refresh it. But as you can see, it's so loose, so I need to refresh my braids.
Sorry guys, I had to switch to a voiceover. So we are going to be taking it one at a time, like one braid at a time, and we're going to be starting from this side of an A. So this is my spray bottle. So I basically just sprayed this braid with my spray bottle with a little bit of water. Guys, not too much. You don't want it to be soaking wet, just damp enough for you to work with. You massage the water into the braids well. The next step is to take your oil, take your hair growth oil, and apply few drops of the oil into your hair, into the braids, that particular section. Just apply few drops there, then you massage, you smoothing the oil into the braids well, you massage it well. So the essence of doing this is just to make your hair moisturized and enough for you to work with. The next step is for you to begin twisting your hair. Not too much guys, I basically just twisted this 3 times, then I tuck it into the back of my hair. But please guys, don't be like me, make use of a clip if you have, just like I'll be doing later on in the video. So moving on to the next braid, you basically just repeat the same process with your spray bottle. The reason why I'm using a spray bottle is because I don't want my hair to be soaking wet. Just damp enough for me to work with is fine by me. Smoothing it well into the braid. Again, apply few drops of your oil into your braids, then you smoothing down your braids, like you massage it in while using your finger to try and brush your hair together. Then you twist twice or 3 times guys. You basically don't want to twist too much, and please make sure it's not too tight. Then you secure the braid at the back of your hair, or like I said earlier, with your clip, like I'll be doing later on in this video. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys just one more time. I'm going to be explaining just one more time. Spray with your spray bottle, massage well, smoothing it down well, then you apply your hair growth oil to your braids, then you smoothing it down as well, massage it well while using your finger to try to brush the hair in that section, then you twist twice or 3 times is fine. Make sure it's not too tight guys, please make sure it's not too tight. So guys, this is my clip, and I'm just going to be using this to try to secure the ones I've twisted so it doesn't unravel. So guys, as you can see here, I eventually was not able to refresh all the old braids. So the bun at the middle is the one I separated, so I did not refresh the bun at the middle because I know that the rest it was going to cover it, you get. So that was why I said earlier that you don't need to refresh all your old braids. So just refresh the part that you know will be visible to people to see when you go out. So nobody is going to open the middle of my hair to check, you get. That's why. So guys, I'm done refreshing my braids now, and I'm basically just trying to style my hair. So because we did this twisting method, you might want to style your hair in the direction you twisted your hair. I don't know if you get what I mean. So in order for your braids not to unravel, because you know we twisted it, so you would want to style your hair or your braids in the direction in which you twisted it, like I'm doing right now. So I basically I'm just trying to flat twist this part here so that the braid does not unravel. Guys, do you notice my scalp is now neat? Like, can you notice that the lines are visible, are showing, unlike previously? So guys, I'm done packing my hair now, and I'm just going to show you guys up close how my hair is looking like right now. I'm just going to use this brush to try to brush my edges because I'm not a fan of gel, so I don't like applying gels on my edges. But if you want to lay your edges, yes, fine, you can go ahead and apply gel to lay your edges, but I'm fine with my natural edges, so I'm just going to brush this up.
So guys, it's as simple as this. So this is how I refresh my braids. So this is my braids is up to 2 months, like I said earlier. So this is how I refresh my 2 months old braids to make it look new. So guys, you don't need much. Just like I said earlier, you don't need much. Just your spray bottle, your water, your leave-in conditioner, and then your oil, and you are good to go. But if you want to add gel, definitely you can go ahead and add gel to your hair. But you want to make sure after you spray your hair with your spray bottle, then you go in with your gel. Don't go in with your hair growth oil and then your gel. It's not going to hold, like your gel will not hold well. So just make sure after you spray your hair, then you apply your gel. And another thing you want to note is that if you are going to be applying gel, then you'll be needing a certain scarf to like cover your hair or to lay down your hair for like few minutes, like 20 to 30 minutes is okay. But for this method, you don't even need to lay your hair with your satin scarf or satin bonnet. No, yeah, like you're just good to go like this. So guys, the situation of things in Nigeria now will not allow most of us to just carry our braids for a month and then use. Like seriously, when I made this braid, I was like, girl, you need to make sure this braid lasts long on your hair before you lose, because Nigeria is not smiling. So guys, feel free to always refresh your hair, and no one will even know that your braid has spent up to 2 months. Yes, if you are moisturizing, maintaining and refreshing it, no one will know that your hair is up to 2 or 3 months. You get, like, if I tell you that my hair is not even up to a month, won't you agree? Yes, that's because I was able to refresh it very well. So guys, just refresh your hair and keep rocking your braids. So that'll be all guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video was explanatory enough, detailed enough. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and I will be there to answer all your questions, your reviews, your observations. Thanks so much for watching guys. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please just click on that red subscribe button down below and get subscribed to my channel and catch up on other videos here on my channel. Also, please like this video if you end up enjoying it. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.